Hi guys, and welcome back to another video of MNC Cubers.
Today we're going to be showing you our new cube store.
MNC Cubers, great cubing videos.
Alright, we created a cube store called Now Cubes.
Yeah.
And we did this just because we thought that we could share our knowledge of cubes to lots of other people.
Yeah.
So we decided we would show it to you, and we could also try and make money.
Yes.
Alright, so the website is nowcubes.co.uk, or you can go to Google and search Now Cubes like this, and then you'll find it.
It will say Now Cubes Home.
And then you click on it, but we're going to go this one. So, this is this, and there's an about us section, and it shows our YouTube channel. Yay! And then we go here.
There's a shop where you can buy the GAN and the GAN 354MV version 2.
Or the XS, or the Using Little Magic, which we actually reviewed.
Yeah.
And there's also a contact us page.
And if you haven't seen the review, it's going to be up there.
Somewhere in the top right-hand corner. Yeah, and so you can contact us at support@nowcubes.co.uk.
Or you can use a contact form.
And then there's just some delivery information, some boring stuff. Like you have to, the cost and stuff.
And there's also a cookie policy.
Oh yeah, the cookie policy, just in case you don't want to have cookies, you can opt out. But it's already opted out because I don't like cookies. Yum yum. Anyways, you can pick one. So I'm just going to pick the cheapest one. And right now we have 6 of these in stock, or 5? I'm not too sure. We have a few in stock. And then we have one of each of these ones. So we're relatively new. And it would really help us if you buy from us.
Yeah.
And you can choose how many you want. You can add it to cart. It's going to appear here.
Yeah.
And just in case, you might see this. If I try and add 2, it don't actually have 2.
So when you go to the checkout,
it's going to say inventory issues because we only have
out of stock
because
we don't have one.
And then we can go, and then you would have this. I'm going to do this. And we're going to oh gosh, what have I done? No,
not that.
Cubers,
No,
and then put our address.
whatever.
Whatever. Let's put, I don't know, NW9 1GH. Okay.
Whatever.
Yeah. So then you can go to the shipping.
And you can add a discount code.
But we're not allowed to actually tell you. You have to figure out yourself.
Yeah.
So it's a secret because it actually saves you a lot of money.
Yeah.
It's a secret. You have to try and guess a discount code for this channel. And a hint, it's related.
Yes.
And then you can pick the shipping.
Asdas. Ship to Asdas.
Yeah. And then you can press continue to payment.
Yeah.
And then you can pay by using a credit card or PayPal.
We won't do that because
because then it's going to actually pay, and that's not good.
Yeah, but we pay ourselves.
Yeah, but it's not good since the system takes some money off.
Yeah.
And also you can pay with Google Pay, PayPal, and Shop Pay. I'm not sure what that is, but anyways. Yeah. So that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll
see you next time. Bye.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.